Hello everyone, my name is Przemek Chojecki and this is my first take on streaming because I wanted to show you how easy it is to play games, PC games on the Mac and actually run Windows, full-fledged Windows on a MacBook. Actually just paying for the cloud, but if you have any credits then you can do it much cheaper usually. I'll be going to use Microsoft Azure Cloud to set up everything. Yeah. So the first thing you want to check out and download is you want to download Microsoft Remote Desktop 10. You can do that from the App Store. It's free, really quick to install, and then you can go. So that's what you should be doing right now. I have already done it, so I won't do it again. So once we have that done, we can move to the next part, which is uh, going to let me just do that properly. Yep, here we are. So we can move to Microsoft Azure. So you go to portal.azure.com, you log in with your account. Yeah, and then we're going to create a new cloud, a new virtual machine with Windows on it, so that you will be able to play any kind of a game. So how do you do it? You basically go to virtual machines in a screen, or rather even faster would be to create a resource, and then we go from that. You want to create a resource which will be running on Windows Server. So yeah, I'm going to add a new virtual machine. Right. So probably it's my internet connection right now with everything running around, but yeah, we're going to create a new virtual machine, and actually it's very simple. The only thing you have to choose is how powerful you're going to make it. Yeah. So here is the first page. You're going to choose. You can choose a resource group you already have. I will create a new for the purpose of this one, for the purpose of this episode. Yeah, let me just test. Go. I'm going to delete everything. Let's play. Call it Cloud Gaming. US Central. That's fine. Here, I want to change the image to become a Windows. I will choose Windows 7 2016. Data center, and here I can change the size. So basically the thing you have here, yeah, let me, it's thinking, oh, sorry, that, yeah, we can change the size of our virtual machine. It's really important because depending on what kind of games you want to play or what you want to do with Windows, you either have to choose better, more expensive machine or something slower. I normally go for let me find it, DS5. If I have it, well, I have only, yeah, I need to, there are many things I want to do. Yeah, DS5. Yeah, so this is the one you pay 1,200 per month. If you go with that, that's enough for playing more casual games. Yeah, so let's. I use the passwords. So okay, so here you want to have the username. Actually, the username, the administrator account. So that's the username password you're choosing. Then you're going for yeah. So that will be the name of your computer. Then you want to open some ports. So for now, I want to have everything open, and then I go. You actually don't have to do anything besides that. You can go with premium SSD. If you want to change the standard disk, that's also possible. But actually here, I just go through all the settings. You don't have to change anything to make it to make it run. I probably have to. Okay, diagnostics. I will make it of just, yeah, I use one of the diagnostics I have, but actually you don't have to do it. And then tags, review, and create. So this will be a summary of what I have. Yeah, I have my machine. It will cost me 1.7 euros per hour of usage. So it can become pretty expensive, especially if you're running it for all the time, and especially if you want to run a couple of machines like that. But this is like nothing new if you already familiar with like machine learning and cloud computing. It can get really expensive. Yeah, so this is it actually. So deployment is underway, and we're going to see what's happening right now. So hopefully everything goes well. We just have to wait a little bit to deploy everything. Or in the worst case, I can just show you what's created, but no, it's going fine, it seems. Yep, this is it. I guess the final thing is going. So actually, it's pretty quick. So again, this kind of running things in the cloud makes you really efficient in the sense that you don't have to think about partitions. You don't have to think about how to install Windows or on your Mac. You can actually migrate everything to the cloud, which is very convenient, especially if you use your MacBook primarily for work, just like I do, and you don't want to mix it with games or like different stuff you want to do casually. And you want to be in a safe environment. And the best thing you can do is actually doing all that in a cloud. So this is what's going on. You can actually make the cloud run on Linux, Ubuntu. That's also fine. And that leaves you a lot of options for testing software or just playing casual games like we're going to do right now. So still waiting for the deployment. It might take some time. So as I said, if it will take more than a minute or two again, then probably I just skip it and show you the results of what I did previously, because I created exactly the same thing just for me. But let's see. I hope this goes well and you'll be able to see, yep, the deployment is done. So I can now go to resource. I click on connect. So I have my resource, it's running. I click on connect to a virtual machine. There is this screen with RDP. We want to download the RDP file. So this is the file for this remote desktop access. This is already downloaded. So you can see it. Now I will move to I need to add another window capture to my streaming and show you actually what will happen when I go with when I open this desktop file. Yeah, so let's go with that. You should already see it like I do. So here it goes. Now for the final part, I have downloaded this RDP file. I'm connecting. So this is what I did. I'm connecting to, yeah, do I want to access my remote PC? I do. It's all connecting. So you can't see it on the stream, but you had to you have to give the passwords that you gave, and now it's loading. So actually it's already done. So let me show you the screen for that. So I need to add another window capture because it's in a new screen. Yep, and this is this thing. So voila, this is what you can see actually from my perspective. Okay, yeah, that's it. That's it. We have this is the system manager. Actually, I can close it. This is still loading, but we're actually in Windows, as you can see. I close it. Yeah, it's a little bit slow right now because basically of my internet connection and the fact that I'm running both streaming, trying to connect to the cloud. The cloud is doing something as well. So yeah, already problem with Windows. Oh, okay, I can minimize that. Yeah, so as you can see, this is a genuine Windows desktop. I have Internet Explorer. I can go to the internet and actually start downloading and browsing the internet on this virtual machine. Yeah, so this is up and running right now, and you can start downloading your games. You can start doing anything you would like to do on Windows. That's it. That's what I wanted to share because I think it's cool. It is really fast, as you can see. I wasn't sure I would be able to capture all that on a single stream, but it went perfectly. So it's up and running. The cloud is going. I will probably just delete that right now. So if you want to hack it, like that's probably too late because I will kill everything. But I really recommend that. It's very simple to use. Microsoft Azure is working really well, and it's a fantastic tool to actually emigrate some of your casual things to the cloud, or even if you're testing your software, also you can test it in a cloud. Thank you for watching. This is what I wanted to show. So I right now can minimize it and see you. Please subscribe. So the final thing, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next episode. Thank you.